Hi friends, welcome to my channel Heaven in 999. Today I am preparing a dish Sevaya Upma, which is very tasty and yummy food for your daily routine, as a breakfast, as a evening routine, as a energy booster. Let's begin friends with an recipe. If you want, you can note down the ingredients. Friends, here I am adding a delicious and tasty items for cooking Sevaya Upma. For this recipe, these are the ingredients or items which are required for a best and tasty upma you can prepare. Friends, we have to roast the sevaya for non-sticky purpose. Roasted sevaya and roasted suji for more taste and more tasty. Chopped potato for as an vegetable. Chopped onion in small slices. Green chili for its taste. Groundnuts as an energy booster. Urad dal, chana dal, slice of nimbu and curry leaves for fragrance and healthy taste. Friends, in sevai upma you have to roast little bit good manner in sevaya for a non-sticky purpose and for a best texture of upma become with a great result. Friends, first on the gas for starting the process of making sevaya upma, take an bowl for making sevaya upma. After that, you add an little 1 to 2 tablespoon oil for sevaya upma to fry the ingredients. Here is an masalas and other ingredients for making a tasty recipe. First, in a oil we add mustard seeds for a best component for sevaya upma, with we adding little bit of with an mustard seeds we add a jeera, which is also a taste maker, and we adding after the jeera turmeric powder, which is an haldi. It's an also Ayurvedic remedy and taste maker for ingredients to make an healthy recipes and best recipes. After preparing, and we add groundnuts. It's an very tasty bites given in sevaya upma. It's also work as energy booster with an adding more taste with crispy and crunchiness. Here we adding an urad dal and chana dal for taste of Sevai Upma, which is these three items are working as heavy energy booster which relax our body with a energy and as full meal for this item. 5 to 10 minutes it will deep fry up to it can convert in golden brown. You will fry in it oil. After that we add chopped potato for best taste and best result. Add in this in after that frying groundnuts and other things. You will fry potato up to it convert in golden brown color, and after that you can add other ingredients. Friends, after adding the potato, we taken here onion chopped for a small slices. It will add into this item for a more taste and more smoothness, which is give a slight and fragrance also, and it work as tangy taste with a softness in upma recipe. After these ingredients come to golden brown, we add green chili for this dish. It will give an tangy taste and tangy effect towards yummy and tasty food. Friends, here I am adding curry leaves, which is also an Ayurvedic remedy, a home remedy for all type of your health problems. We will use in this dish for best taste, and it also work an taste maker. Curry leaves gives an extra taste and extra fragrance towards these ingredients. After that, here we adding a equal amount of water for this ingredient according to the sevaya. For your taste level, we add exact level of water according to the sevaya to become this dish very tasty and crispy and non-sticky, will give great taste. After adding water, we will take salt according to your taste and requirement. You can add the salt for this. It will give a best result towards your dish to become nice, smooth and with good texture for your requirement according to your level of taste. Friends, here 5 to 15 minutes is required for a vegetable cook nicely and it release its fragrance towards this, and after that we adding here a lemon. Its juice will give another level of taste and fragrance towards sevaya upma for best result. When all boiling process of vegetable is over, you will add roasted sevaya into this recipe and mix well or saute well for best mixture with water and sevaya towards its recipe. After all ingredients was mixed well, we add here a roasted suji in a little quantity for it great taste towards sevaya upma. It will give another level of taste and crispiness with a best recipe comes an best result for your morning or evening breakfast. Let's take a time to steam it well for a more taste and more food will cook for final level of serving process. Here I am taking plate for close the top because it will take all steam and cook more smoother and more tasty. After closing a top tightly, you will leave it for 5 to 15 minutes. After that you can get a best recipe, a nice recipe towards your taste. And let's take a look at the sevaya upma with come out very yummy, tasty. Friends, the sevaya upma is ready to serve. Please try this at home and please comment me how this recipe will helpful for you with your taste and other as per your requirement, and also suggest to your family members and other people for their breakfast this yummy and tasty sevaya upma in their daily routine in small amount of time. You can cook this recipe very easily. Please subscribe my channel, share the video and don't forget to press the bell icon for further video notification. Till then, bye friends, take care of yourself. Thank you.